Hello, today we will guide you through how to change candlestick colors in Thinkorswim. Begin by opening Thinkorswim. Once the platform loads and your workspace appears, we're going straight to the charting area. At the top of the platform, find the Charts tab. It sits along the main navigation bar. Click Charts to bring your active chart to the forefront. You should now see a price chart with candlesticks and your preferred indicators, if any. Next, we'll open the settings specific to this chart. Move your mouse over the chart and look for the small gear icon. This is the Chart Settings button. It usually appears near the upper right of the chart pane. Click the gear to open the Chart Settings window. Inside Chart Settings, select the Appearance section. This is where Thinkorswim lets you control how candles, borders, and wicks look, along with other visual choices. Focusing on colors, click the sample color box you want to change. A color picker opens so you can choose a shade that matches your preference and improves readability. Many traders pick a bright, high contrast color for rising candles and a distinct contrasting color for falling candles, so moves are easy to spot at a glance. If you use a dark background, lighter, saturated colors tend to pop. For a light background, deeper tones often work best. Also consider colorblind-friendly pairings to keep your chart legible. When you've selected a color, click Apply. Apply is helpful because it previews your choice on the chart behind the settings window without closing it, allowing you to confirm that the candles are clear, the borders are visible, and the wicks aren't getting lost against the background. If something doesn't look right, simply click the sample color again and try a different shade until the chart reads the way you want. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click OK. This confirms your changes and closes the settings window. Your new candlestick colors are now active on the chart. They'll remain in place the next time you open this chart layout, and you can repeat these steps anytime you want to fine-tune the palette for a different instrument, time frame, or theme. That should do it. Open Thinkorswim, go to Charts, click the gear, open Appearance, choose your color, hit Apply, and finish with OK. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly customized candlestick colors.